let me ask you something. Have you ever sat there staring at your phone, wondering if she's even thinking about you? That crushing feeling when she pulls away, when it feels like everything you shared is fading into thin air. But what if I told you there's a proven way to flip the script to make her regret leaving, to make her chase you? And no, it's not about texting her nonstop or begging for another chance. It's about shifting the power dynamic so deeply that she can't stop thinking about you, obsessing over you until she's the one reaching out. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the exact mindset shift that turns heartbreak into control. Trust me, once you understand this, you'll never beg for attention again. This is not just another get your ex back talk. This is about reclaiming your power, about understanding why women pull away, and how you can become the man she can't walk away from. Whether it's a breakup or she's losing interest, what I'm about to share applies. Today, I'm giving you 14 proven steps, each one designed to trigger her emotional and psychological attraction back towards you. And by the end, you'll not only understand what works, but why it works and how to use it for life. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and stay locked in, because every step builds on the next. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Accept the breakup. Like a man, the moment she pulls away, your first instinct is to fix it. You want to call, explain, apologize, anything to make it right. But here's the harsh truth that's exactly what pushes her further away. You need to do the opposite. Accept the breakup. Don't fight it. Don't beg. Don't chase. Why? Because acceptance signals strength. It shows her you're not emotionally dependent. And deep down, women crave strength. The moment she sees you not fighting to keep her, curiosity sparks. Why is he so calm? Does he not care? Did he find someone else? This is the first seed of doubt, and it's powerful. Remember, calm acceptance isn't weakness. It's control, and in control, you win. Now that you've mastered acceptance, let's move to the next power play, cutting off her access to you. Step 2. Go silent, master. The no contact rule. Silence is power. And when used right, it drives her crazy. Going no contact is not about punishing her. It's about creating space for her to miss you. Think about it. How can someone miss you if you're always there? Silence forces her to sit with the reality of losing you. It gives her time to compare life with you to life without you. And guess what? Memories will resurface. Those good times, those inside jokes, all of it. She'll wonder why you're not calling, not texting. And that wonder creates obsession. No contact is your battlefield. Win here, and you win the war. But silence alone isn't enough. There's something critical you must do during this time. Step 3. Level up, work on yourself. Now that you're silent, it's time to level up. This is where most men mess up. They wait, sulk, and spiral. Wrong move. You need to hit the gym, focus on your goals, reconnect with your ambitions. Become the man she wishes she never left. Post that progress. Show your glow up, but not for her, for you. Success is magnetic. When she sees you living, thriving, and improving without her, the regret will kick in. This is where the power shifts. The man she thought she lost, he's now out of reach, and that's terrifying to her. Once you start leveling up, it's time to learn the art of subtle psychological triggers. Step 4. Trigger her emotional memories. Women don't fall for logic, they fall for feelings, and nothing hits harder than emotional memories. During no contact, occasionally and subtly, post something that reminds her of the good times. Maybe it's a song lyric, a place you two loved, a vague story she knows is about her. Don't be obvious, be strategic. You're not reaching out, but you're reminding her. That creates a cocktail of emotions: nostalgia, regret, curiosity. Suddenly, She's smiling at her phone, missing what you had, wondering if you miss it too. But what happens when she tests the waters? You need to be ready for the next critical move. Step 5. Respond with strength. If she reaches out, if she texts, don't jump like a puppy. Be calm, be brief, be polite but controlled. Your job isn't to prove you still care. It's to show you're good either way. Example, if she says, "Hey, just checking on you," respond with, "I'm good, hope you're well too." Short, sweet, emotionally detached. This does 2 things. It confirms you're not desperate and it makes her doubt her decision. She was expecting you to crumble and you didn't. Now, the chase begins. But to really flip the script, you need to understand the power of mystery. Step 6. Become a mystery she can't figure out. There's something intoxicating about a man who doesn't reveal everything. Right now, she thinks she knows you, your moves, your feelings, your patterns. Your job: break that pattern. Curiosity is your weapon, and it's time you use it. But mystery alone isn't enough. You need to reintroduce one of the most attractive qualities: a man can have purpose. Step 7. Reignite your purpose. Become mission-focused. Here's the secret: women aren't attracted to men who make them the center of their world. They crave men who have a world and invite them in. A man on his mission is magnetic. Women want to follow, not lead. Now that you've found your purpose, it's time to master the subtle art of social proof. Step 8. Leverage social proof. Make her see your value. Let's be honest, women are competitive, especially when it comes to men they once had. The moment she sees that other women find you attractive, something changes. She'll start wondering, was he always this valuable? Did I miss something? That's how jealousy plants the seed of regret. But once you've triggered jealousy, it's time to play the long game, and that starts with patience. Step 9. Develop unshakable patience. Most men fail here. They break down when results don't come fast enough. But not you. Patience shows mastery over your emotions. It shows that you're not desperate, you're deliberate. And when you don't break, her respect grows. Patience isn't weakness. It's power in its purest form. Now that you're patient, let's dive into the next emotional trigger: nostalgia. Step 10. Use nostalgia to reignite her feelings. People don't remember facts, they remember feelings. And nostalgia is one of the most powerful emotions you can trigger. And just like that, you've reopened the emotional door. But nostalgia alone won't bring her back. You need to show you've changed. Step 11. Become the man she couldn't handle before. Here's the brutal truth sometimes: she left because you weren't that guy yet. Too needy, too available, too predictable. Now's the time to fix that. And that regret? It hits different when she knows the new you is not waiting around. But growth isn't just personal. You need to subtly re-enter her emotional space. Step 12. Reappear casually, but on your terms. This step is crucial. It's your comeback moment. After weeks of silence, you reappear, but not desperate, not begging. Instead, you're cool, detached, and that is the most attractive thing you can be. But what if she finally bites? Here's where you show her the new rules. Step 13. Set boundaries. If she comes back, if she reaches out or asks to meet, listen carefully. This is your power move. Example: I'm open to talking, but I'm not interested in repeating the past. This shocks her, because now you're the prize. She has to earn her place back in your life, and that's exactly how it should be. Now, brother, you're ready for the final step, the decision every high-value man must make. Step 14. Decide if you still want her. Here's the final and most powerful step. Once she's back, once she's chasing you, Stop and ask yourself, do I even want her back? Becoming a better man, the kind women fear losing, was the real prize all along. So there you have it, 14 powerful steps designed to flip the script and bring her back. But by then, you might just realize you're too good to take her back. And that's the goal, becoming the man women chase. Not the man chasing women. If this hit home, drop a like, share this with a brother who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more powerful mindset shifts. Comment below, have you tried no contact? What was your experience? Let's build a community of strong, focused men who understand their worth. Remember, she will come back, but the real win is when you decide if she's worth it. For now, subscribe and watch this short video.